Today, we will talk about what a HUD-1 form is and how it is used. A HUD-1 form, also called a HUD-1 Settlement Statement, is a standardized mortgage lending document. Creditors or their closing agents use this form to create an itemized list of all charges and credits to the buyer and to the seller in a consumer credit mortgage transaction. A HUD-1 form is most commonly used for reverse mortgages and mortgage refinance transactions. The HUD-1 lists all costs related to closing the transaction. Federal law requires the form to be used as a standard real estate settlement form in reverse mortgage and mortgage refinance transactions. The law also requires that borrowers be given a copy of the HUD-1 at least 1 day prior to settlement, although figures can be added, corrected, or updated up to the time the parties are seated at the closing table. Most buyers and sellers review the form with a real estate agent, attorney, or settlement agent. On the HUD-1 form, buyers are referred to as borrowers, even if there is no loan involved. Oddly, the HUD-1 is meant to be reviewed verso, or reverse side, first. The reverse side has 2 columns. The left-hand column itemizes the borrower's charges and the right-hand column itemizes the seller's charges. The borrower's list includes charges related to the mortgage, such as a loan origination fee, discount points, payment for a credit report, and fees for the appraisal and flood certification. It also may include any prepaid interest charges, homeowners insurance fees, property taxes, owners and lenders title insurance, and the closing agent's fees. The itemized seller list may itemize the real estate commission, any contractually agreed upon credit to the buyer, and mortgage payoff information. The seller's itemized charges typically are lower than the buyer's charges. The figures on the HUD-1 verso are added up, and the totals are carried to the form's recto, or front side. The amount of cash required to be paid by the borrower and the amount to be paid to the seller appear at the bottom of the front page. The Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act of 2010 requires lenders to provide borrowers of all types of mortgages with a closing disclosure form. Borrowers must be provided with the disclosure 3 days before closing. This 5-page form includes finalized figures for all closing fees and costs to the borrower, as well as the loan terms, the projected monthly mortgage payments, and closing costs. The 3 days are meant to allow the borrower to ask the lender questions and clear up any discrepancies or misunderstandings regarding costs before closing. HUD-1 forms are still used for reverse mortgages and refinancing. The government form used to be used by settlement agents to list all the charges that borrowers and sellers were responsible for in any real estate deal. The HUD-1 form was replaced by the closing disclosure form in 2015. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. The HUD-1 form, listing all closing costs, is given to all parties involved in reverse mortgage and mortgage refinance transactions. 2. Since late 2015, a different form, the closing disclosure, is prepared for the parties involved in all other real estate transactions. 3. Both must be reviewed by the borrower before the closing in order to prevent errors or surprises. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.